Christine Johnson Sewing Friends. So we're talking Basewear Two skirts. We are talking a little bit about the sewing pattern, which features two skirts and an awesome t-shirt pattern. We're going to talk about all three of them today. So Basewear Two comes in a tapered skirt and a straight skirt. They can be made short, midi, or long to maxi. You can make them in the straight or the tapered, and you can make it with the flounce here or without. Actually, this one has a flounce too. You can make it with or without a flounce. And the flounce can be raw edged like it's shown here. Just cut with your rotary cutter. You can see that's raw edged. Can't even tell, can you? It's awesome. You can cut it right with your rotary cutter, or you can hem it as we've done in the black one here. And it is an awesome skirt because it is so simple, and there's a bunch of really wonderful teaching things in the sewing pattern. So you're gonna learn how to sew a ready-to-wear elastic waistband, just like that, professional elastic waistband. And this one would be cover stitched, stretch stitched, straight stitched on here to get the right blend of stretch and really nice professional look on the inside. So they'll learn that, plus the t-shirt has something really interesting, and I want to point this out. How many of you guys, by a show of hands, I know you can't really show your hands, but you can go ahead and comment, how many of you have ever stabilized the neckline of a knit t-shirt? Why? Because knits stretch when you make a neckline. So you probably were all like, oh, stabilize that neckline. That's what the pattern instructions say. Christine says, don't work against the knit. Design the neckline higher in the first place. And then when you stitch it, it becomes the right width based on the characteristics of your fabric. So make a nice high neckline so that when the neckline inevitably stretches, because it's going to, you're stitching it, it becomes the right neckline. Clever. Christine's always thinking of ways to work with the fabrics that you're working with instead of against them. So there's no stabilization of this neckline. Just go ahead and sew it. It's easy. And one of the things that this pattern has is you can have, on the t-shirt, you can have short, medium, or long sleeves. And the really nice thing about the pattern too is it has a little turtleneck, which is not shown in these versions, but the turtleneck is really nice because you can go with make a sleeveless turtleneck or a regular turtleneck, or you can even, it's like a little, almost like a little mock turtleneck. You can make it tall, you can make it short, whatever kind of turtleneck you like. And a lot of the young girls are wearing the sleeveless turtlenecks cropped to the top of their high-waisted jeans. If that's a look that you go for, this can be worn as a higher waisted skirt, or you can wear it with the perfect pants. You can also create that look with this t-shirt. This is also a great t-shirt for upcycling those concert t-shirts because it is fitted and shaped and works really well for that. You can retain the existing sleeve by cutting out a new sleeve cap, but retaining the hem on the existing sleeve if you want to. So lots of options to use this pattern as a basewear for everything that you need to do when you're dealing with skirts and t-shirts. So you can get this sewing pattern on sale until the 22nd of October of 2019 with the code Basewear10. And if it's after that, always check out our bundles at the top of the Christine Johnson Patterns website at cjpatterns.com, because the bundles at the top, they always have some really awesome deal. So check it out. This is Basewear Two. It's an awesome skirt pattern. You will absolutely love it. It's perfect for teaching your friends how to sew. So if you have a friend that you want to get into sewing, this is a great first pattern, both the skirt and the t-shirt. It looks great with other things in your wardrobe, such as a moto jacket. It's great with a slouchy sweater over the skirt and a pair of sneakers. It's a really modern look. Go ahead and grab Basewear Two and start creating skirts in 20 minutes or less.